Did you know that 99% of people will never achieve financial freedom through investing? Now ask yourself, do you want to be part of that 99%? Or do you want to be in the 1% who are actually building real wealth? If you're anything like me, you're probably thinking, heck no, I want to be in the 1%. In this video, I'm going to break down 6 simple yet powerful strategies that will take you from a complete newbie to a confident investor. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is going all in right off the bat. They hear about some hot stock tip and throw their entire life savings into it. And guess what? More often than not, it doesn't end well. Starting small is the key. Think of it like this. Would you rather jump into the deep end of a pool without knowing how to swim, or start in the shallow end and gradually make your way deeper? When you start small, you're not just investing in the market, you're investing in your education. You're learning the ropes and building confidence. Even investing just $50 or $100 a month can make a huge difference over time, especially with the power of compound interest on your side. You know that old saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket? In investing, it's the golden rule. Diversification is about spreading your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk. If you invest all your money in a single company, and that company goes bankrupt, you lose everything. But if you diversify, the impact of one company failing is less devastating. Diversification isn't just about different companies. It's about different types of assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, and gold. With today's technology and the rise of index funds and ETFs, diversifying your portfolio has never been easier. Before buying your first stock or bond, ask yourself, what are you investing for? What are your financial goals? Without clear goals, investing becomes like sailing without a destination. Having specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals will give you direction and motivation. Once you know your why, you can tailor your investment strategy accordingly. For example, if you're investing for retirement, you might choose more aggressive investments like growth stocks. Your investment goals are unique, so define what's important to you and create an investment plan that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. There's an app for that, leveraging technology for smarter investing. Thanks to technology, the world of investing is now at your fingertips. Today, there are countless apps and online platforms that make investing accessible and affordable. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces, educational resources, and even fractional shares, allowing you to buy a piece of expensive stocks without breaking the bank. Technology isn't just about making investing easier, it's about making it smarter. With real-time market data and portfolio tracking tools, you have all the information you need to make informed decisions. From robo-advisors to micro-investing apps, the options are endless. Knowledge is power, never stop learning. The best investment you can make is in yourself. The more you learn about investing, the more confident and in control of your financial future you'll become. You don't need a degree in finance to become a savvy investor. There are tons of amazing resources available online and offline that can teach you everything you need to know. Reading books by investing legends like Warren Buffett and Benjamin Graham can provide invaluable insights. Be a lifelong learner, stay curious, and never stop seeking out new information. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the world of investing. Don't be afraid to phone a friend. Seeking professional advice. Sometimes, seeking professional advice from a financial advisor can be one of the smartest financial decisions you can make. A financial advisor is like an architect for your finances. They can help you create a solid financial plan and choose investments that align with your goals. There are now more affordable options available, like fee-only advisors who charge a flat fee for their services. The key is to find an advisor you trust, who understands your goals and who has your best interests at heart. Start investing today and secure your future. I recently heard a story about a young woman named Sarah who started investing just $50 a week in a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds. Fast forward 10 years and she's now on track to retire early and travel the world. Remember those 6 strategies we talked about: starting small, diversifying, setting clear goals, leveraging technology, educating yourself, and seeking professional advice? These aren't just random tips, they're proven principles that have helped countless people achieve financial freedom. No matter how much money you have or how much you know, you can start investing today and start building a brighter future for yourself. Now tell me in the comments, what's your biggest investing goal? And don't forget to stick around for my next video where I'll be revealing the top 5 investing mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them.